Merry Christmas.
Nice seeing you.
Merry
too.
Christmas.
Hey, send me a goat for Christmas.
So David Wood wants a goat for Christmas, and I have the perfect one, but it's going to take a little modification to make it halal. We start first off with a screaming goat from Amazon. Go ahead and open that on up. You're free to follow along. We open that up, pull him on out, and there he goes. There's the screaming goat from Amazon. Looks good, good model, and yes, he even screams. Perfect. But he is not yet halal. We need us to be in line with the Hadith. Specifically, this Hadith here. Sunnah Ibn Majah, Hadith 1944. Reported Aisha, the verse of stoning and of suckling an adult 10 times was revealed, and they were on a paper and kept under my pillow. When the messenger of Allah expired and we were occupied by his death, a goat entered and ate away the paper. So in order to bring it in line with that hadith and make it halal, let's go ahead and grab a little bit of the Quran here. This is from my wife's Quranagami. Link in the description below. We go ahead and take this. We take a little bit, about the middle section there, take hot glue. Put the hot glue on there. There we go. And then place that promptly in the mouth of the goat. There we go. So there you are. We have a halal goat eating the Quran as described in the Hadith. Now that we're done modifying the goat, let's give it to David. If you want to see his reaction, go ahead and check out the video here. In addition, there's a special gift to the members, a new emoji. Go ahead and have fun. Have yourself a Merry Christmas.